Fixing Cash App please try again later error is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix your Cash App please try again later error. While the process is very simple, as you can see, if I go to my Cash App and there you go, it is telling me that terrible to sign up this time. You just have to try again later. Well, in order to do that, what do you have to do is you just have to try again after few minutes. If you already have a Cash App account and you're facing this problem, you just have to try a few minutes later and the arrow should be gone. However, if you are trying to create a Cash App account and you live in UK and you're seeing this error, this means you won't be able to make a Cash App account at this time, because there are a limit of Cash App accounts have reached for the UK and now they're not allow new users to join Cash App. They have temporarily blocked it, so just have to wait. They might on the open the accounts creation process, and afterwards you will be able to log in right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to